Namaskar, myself Dr. Jyoti Prakash Swai, Dean and Principal, Netaji Subhas University, Department of Education. Today in this slide, I want to discuss about some work schedule of this institution. What we are doing here. Firstly, I want to say that we are preparing teachers. We are preparing future teachers. We are, myself and my team, not only provide the knowledge about lesson planning and management of classroom climate, but also we are providing the various skills related to teaching. We give them hands-on experience and we supervise their internship program in actual classroom practice. Thank you.
Welcome all of you in the exhibition of Netaji Subhas University. This is the B.Ed session 25-27.
Ever wondered how the food stays for long days and months? This is due to the preservation of food. This is done by the steps. First is refrigeration and freezing.
Here are some educational implications of food and preservation for teachers. To teach food and preservation from the science topic, it creates awareness.
Let us know the importance of fruits and vegetables preservation. It increases the shelf life of fruits and vegetables. It reduces food wastage. Woodwork is the art or skilled activity of making things out of wood, in which artists select the desired type of wood like soft wood, hardwood or engineered wood to carve out the desired shapes and designs. For example, cabinetry, furniture, decorative items and other things that you can witness in this exhibition. Thank you.
Teaching woodwork in school is not just about making objects, but also it helps in developing creativity, practical skills and problem-solving abilities. Students learn to fix, how, measure and playing with different types of materials.
When you go through this particular model, you can see and clarify the particular topic, that is food security in India. As you can see, the model is made on that basis where the students will have a knowledge about the two systems in India which is carried. One is that you can see there is a lot of things stock in one godown, and this is known as buffer stock. It usually happens when we have some natural calamity or disaster. That time the Indian government provides us with the food, and that food is securely placed in this particular buffer stock. And the next thing you can see, this is a fair price shop. It is actually made by the government itself, where it can say, as you can see, whatever the things is provided, it is provided by the government on a fair price.
Students have made these beautiful and logical mathematics lesson plans. As I am the teacher of mathematics, so I'm just going to tell you that what makes a mathematics lesson plan very good. So there are the three foundations that make it clear, make it relevant and make it interesting. And always try to teach mathematics through real world problems. Thank you.
This is model about the reflection of light. This ray is incidence ray and this is reflected ray. The angle of incidence ray is equal to angle of reflection.
So next time, enjoy the taste of a pickle and you are experiencing the science.